Yeah, nation people. You know see what I go on? I see Vybz Kartel and Valiant. Zin got time heal. Me bumper squad people. You don't know. We is a man we like do everything in a AKA nick of time. Cause you have to know say you can't beat the father now, you can't beat the time. Now gimmicks business is not dead there. And you know time is one of the surest things on earth. You see what I say? The world boss say time heal. Me bumper ass cloth. What's a sensitive topic, my brother? Eh? Yeah, because you have to know, you know. Nothing, you know, where you feel within, you know. My brother, you know. No blood clot medicine, no prescription, not there for them type of thing there, you know, my brother. You see what I say? A time I have to take care of them bumbo clot, invisible wound where you hurt, yeah, nobody can see it, you know. Because it's hidden inside, you know. You see what I say? So when you hear the world boss executing, you know, my brother, a precise thing, you know, my brother. You see what I say? No joke shit, not the inner it, you know. No gimmicks thing, not the inner it in the nation, people. The song body of fuck. No joke, not about it. Furthermore, me never know, say, I saw that you the vocal wicked when name Valiant. But you don't know. Them always I say it from in the beginning. The world boss always bring out the best out of people. Valiant, you see the way me hear you rise up melody in the blood clot song youth. I know I'm gonna tell you say change what you are doing, my brother. But see if you can mix it up. You see what I say? See if you can mix it up. Because I think you're singing blood clot techniques too bad for you hide it. You see what I say? Give it to the people, and my brother. Give them the talent where you have, my brother. No hold back, no. You see what I say? No joke shit not in my game. No lollipop thing not into it. You don't know how I represent already. A Gaza way, there ain't no other fucking way. You see what I say? So, I done see it. All my guns see it. I trample the world boss out for trample the ear with blood clot music. No joke thing not that about it. To the way how the man does a rip off blood clot song after song after song. We love every bit of it, nation people. You see what I say? No joke thing now in it. Let me tell you something too. I can't even get Clyde right. We can't even get Clyde right. Yo, let me tell you something, man. The thing bad, man. Bad, man. So, nation people, you don't know me already, you know. Come, I done buy my copy of them already, you know. And skin out material evidence in front of everybody I make them see, you know. So, here we go on. Make certain you get a copy. You see what I say? Yeah. Make sure you get a copy. Because you can't miss out on that. You have to have that in our collection. You see what I say? Make sure you get a copy, nation people. And after you get a copy, stream the hell out of it. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. No lollipop thing not into it. You see what I say? When you see big blood clot song, you know make that pass away. You see what I say? At least, Valiant and as a young artist, you can say you have a collaboration with the world blood clot great. You see what I say? Under your belt and no boy can't stop that. You know what I mean? The gimmicks thing not about it. Don't forget Valiant. So some boy will want feature. You must have million and change. No joke shit not about it. You see what I say? I don't know the world boss thing them priceless. You see what I say? I don't have to ask if it's up on the iTunes chart right now because I don't know say, yo, when the world boss touch the road with the click them load, I don't know normal, my brother. And that's I know about that song that are normal. Not at all. Bless up, brother. Nothing at all about that no normal. Yo, I love the song till I can't love it no blood clot more. I think I love it 1 inch more I own the blood clot song. If I love the song 1 inch more, I own that bomber ass clot. You see what I say, nation people? I not laugh with it, you know. Like, you know, if no boy violate, you know, them head get chopped off with it, you know. You know, Gaza thing and a lollipop thing, you know, a Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing, you know. I'm as we are telling you, you know, just remember how the world boss make it, yeah. Bass style, Megaphor, Silly Me, Antanza, rhyme, lyrics, flow, him use and set it. Don't give me thing not dead about it. Everything when I just tell you, do that right in front of the people, them eye. You don't even need bumbuckler, flashlight, nor dark glasses to see what I tell you about. The two things that in a Hit Nation people, world boss are one of a kind. You see what I say? Yeah. Everybody in a dancehall can testify about that. You see what I say? The rascal time hurting them, my brother. Shell with man. Hotter than we bumbuckler LA. No gimmicks thing that dead about it. You see it? Yes, 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 yes. Sure is. What? Yeah, man. The general, the 10-star one, arrive upon the work scene. Alright, good. No lollipop thing that in my game. You see what I say? I tell you now. God's a thing, a worldwide thing. And I no bumbuckler gimmicks thing. You see what I say? And I no hurry come up thing. The thing concrete, steel, cement up. You see what I say? No joke shit not into my game. When I represent a real way, I represent Gaza way, there ain't no other fucking way. You see what I say? World boss and valiant. Time heal. Phenomenal stuff. I say, when song bad, when song bad, I saw. Song make you get up and talk all the way and have a blood clot expect. When song bad. No joke shit not into my game. No lollipop thing not into it. You see what I say? A real way we represent all the time. You see it? 10-star the general. I represent. You see what I say? For bumbuckler, Gaza. You know what I mean? You know a first class thing. That's why the world boss as we are sending the youth them world class. You see it? Now give me a thing in my game. So nation people, I could run up some views from the song there. And make we stream the song. We don't go get to a copy on iTunes. The thing shell way. Hotter than we bumbuckler LA. No farmer gimmicks thing not into my game. You see what I say? We don't know already. See a Gaza way. There ain't no fucking other way. A 10-star general. I represent. What? It can't get no better than that, nation people. You see what I say? No joke shit not into my game. What I say? You can't find better than that. No way. A junction. You hear that? 10-star. Represent. Oh.